Welcome. In this video I'm going to be cleaning the coils on this Dave Lennox Signature Series air conditioner condenser. And the first thing we need to do is cut the power. So I'm going to go cut it at the main panel, and then we'll pull the we'll cut it at the air conditioner also. So I'm down here at my service panel, and I see here it says 10 and 12 are the AC. So I'll shut that off. And you should see like a big breaker here, probably not a slim one, I'm guessing. So if you feel uncomfortable with any of this, then don't do it. So we'll go back outside and we'll disconnect it at the air conditioner also. Okay, so I've got it cut in the basement at my main panel. Now I'm going to come back to this box here behind the air conditioner. I'll open it. And under here, it's kind of hard to see, there's a little thing I'm going to pull out, like this. Okay, so I'm going to pull that out also. I'll close that so water doesn't get in it. Next I'm going to remove these panels. So I have a 1/4-inch socket here, and then I have one of these magnetic trays that I got at Harbor Freight. So I'll just loosen all these here. And that'll hold those in there. And then this will hinge off like that. Okay, so then I'll just set this to the side. And that's looking pretty dirty. So I'll get the other two panels. So we take off this side, and this side. No, there are three. There's this little one in the back too. Okay, so I have all four sides open. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can like take this off and pull it out of the way and spray from inside out, but I just spray from the outside. You can also get some cleaner you can spray on there, but I just use a hose. So this is this has different settings on it. So you can use this jet setting here. Let me turn this on. And so that shoots a blast of water, and if you shot that in kind of at the side, you're gonna mess these fins up. I like this flat here on here, and then I just go like this, and I kind of work my way down. So you can see this is pushing the stuff down. So I'll continue doing that until I get all of this off here. And like I say, I try not to go at an angle. I try to go down so I don't bend these fins. So after I get this cleaned, I have a lot of stuff built up down here. So I do use the jet for that. Okay, so I have all four sides cleaned now. It's not perfect, but it's probably a lot better than it was before. I also want to make sure that you clean these off too, because there's a lot of like spider webs and stuff on here. So another thing to consider is that this is a heat pump, so I really should be cleaning this a little more often because it can run in the winter and in the summertime. So that's something I need to do. I obviously got a little behind on it. I didn't realize it was dirty as it was. So when you're done doing this, you need to take these, you put them back on the same way that they came off. You put the little bar back in the box here, and then turn the breaker back on, and you're ready to go. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.